you may call it that. Miakalim will update us on the game.
Thanks, Sev. Lack of chemistry nga daw ang suspect sa dalawang unang pagkatalo nitong Air Force at bagaman isang buwan na silang magkakasama, napaka-obvious pa rin daw na hindi nila alam ang strengths and weaknesses ng kanilang mga kakampi. At kitang-kita nga daw ito during their game against Army kung saan talagang makikita natin na iba-iba ang approach nila doon sa bola. Sabi nga ni Coach Clarence, they just need more games together and hopefully daw the third time's a charm. Balik sa inyo, Sev and Coach Tita Marcy.
Coach na, tita pa. Ano ba? Kompleto no?
Oo, basta older. Yun na yun. Talaga, moji na.
Kaya nga, some people don't know how to address Maki Puela, our Coliseum announcer.
Hindi namay mo pa Hindi na nga kasama
Hindi ba? You don't know how to call her, naging coach mo siya. Yun, di ba?
Ayan, binungo mo pa na naging coach ko pa siya. Pero hindi mo sinabing coach siya na anak ko ngayon. So, mas malala pa.
Pero hindi niya madideny. Contemporary ko siya. 9-7 ang score natin.
Well, again, kanina yung gelling yun nga, ang problema mo talaga dyan yung sa depensa Yung skill sa spike, alam naman nila kung open sila quick sila, kung ano. Pero yung depensa, yan ang mahirap pag-aralan.
Saka yung diskarte, no? And such a young team, and boy, give them a year. Give them a year. They'll be fine. Just don't know who are the sophomores, the juniors, but just a young team. Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League. That's a little overcooked. Malamanan gets to it nonetheless. Tinaas, Basas gusto maka-score. Semana says, De Ramos, take care of it. C. Basas, huli yan. Kanina pa nahuhuli yan.
De Ramos.
Ilalim ng bola.
Yes.
Nakita niya.
Parang nawala siya doon kung nasan siya sa loob ng court, no? Yung
at saka alam mo,
nasang lugar siya sa loob.
Yung ganang tilt up, biglang ilaw ang makikita mo nun Yet, sometimes when we have provincial teams, don't be surprised when they say something, and it's not De Ramos' fault. Yung nagugulat sa circumstances, kasi kung minsan sa ilalim,
it's
ilaw.
not your usual environment.
8-11 ang score natin. FAU reobtains the serve. Sorry, it will go actually to the other side. Cabalya will be serving 11-8. Yes, good eye by Basas. Allowed it to sail out. Good fight by FAU. They're hoping to win a set here actually.
Yun lang naman ang gusto ni Coach Shaq, that they're able to run their plays. Kasi ang lalakas nga talagang pumalo Pero pagka hindi maganda depensa, hindi sila maka-attempt.
Alam mo, Shaq coached a star-studded team called UST. If he can develop that, he knows how to use weapons. Yan ang strength ni Shaq as a coach.
Yung probably, that's why yung UST and yung FEU, yun yung medyo mararami na and also La Salle is following suit. Yun yung, kasi makikita mo na kaya nilang mag-develop ng players. I'm not saying yung iba hindi, pero ito yung matatagal na kasi.
Yes, these are the powers.
Yes. And nangongolekta yan, high school pa lang. Tinitignan na nila yan kung sino yung shoot dun sa team nila.
And these are some of the schools that do have high school programs,
Correct.
Bagang is in for the first time and pulling out Atienza sa roster ng FEU. 13-9. Down the middle with Palma connecting.
Once again, yung defense na naman ng Air Force. Yung last tip na yun talaga yung problema mo. Palo, walang problema dyan.
That's where you need the cohesiveness
Yes,
yung
sa defense part.
Floor defense, yung net defense nyo, that takes time.
Yung movement inside the court.
Simana. That's my favorite toss of hers.
Very nice. Jump set. Na back set.
Si Wendy Simana specialty in lumuluhod na itataas ang bola. GSLC naman in the fine tradition of FEU setters is that jump set. Pilita Corrales tossing the Mikasa official ball of the Shakey's B-League na pa-reverse.
Yan po reception.
It really results in the ball being passed around badly, Sampal. Balmaceda. Uy, malakas. Overcook. Adjust and setter.
Bagang.
Bagang.
Chance for Air Force.
Si Casas talaga, ano? Bigyan mo lang na mataas. Tama ka eh. Bahala na siya eh. Boom!
Oh, and si Palma once again going for a push.
Rexona antiperspirant deodorant. It won't let you down. Boom!
Dunk.
Dunk eh, no? Yun sigurado.
Mhm.
Pero tayong mas maliliit, yun. Ay, sarap pala eh.
Oh,
Inside! Tabla tayo.
She started this game. Siya ang nasa service line at nakaunsad ng ang FEU at the start of this set. Ngayon, ito na naman. Let's see if she will get some points from reserve.
Shaq De Los Santos really voice operating this team. Nice serve.
Oh, ganda naman kasi
Tusok!
talaga. Pangalawa na ang ace. Yan yung sinasabi ni Coach Shaq, ano? Ngayon nakita mo na mahina depensa ng Air Force. Adjust ka. Ito, atakihin mo yung depensa nila. Diba? Ngayon, paano ka makaka-attack?
Force them, yeah? Force them to play defense.
First, these are bonus points coming from Giselle off the service line. Pero yung atake, yun na importante that they're able to run their plays. So, magsisimula yan sa katulad nito. Good reception.
Reciting the offense. Bagang. De Ramos wants something. Ngayon, sabi ni Shaq, bilis kasi hindi pa set yung defense eh.
Yun yung speed na pinag-uusapan nila kanina pa.
Agno, got to it. They're younger eh, no? That's why they have to hustle. Casas. Si Regalo!
Oh, hindi naman pwedeng ganon. Obviously, si Joy Cases really liking that. Ang taas. Tapos kanyang-kanya.
Rexona antiperspirant deodorant, it won't let you down. Yung talagang masarap paluin na. Tabla tayo sa 14. Second set, first set, nakuha ng Air Force. Bagang. Manzano, hinulugan sila.
Kitang-kita doon na walang suporta sa likod ng blockers ng FEU.
Jennifer Mendoza.
Nako, mukhang itong si Wendy Semana will be...
Manzano, rather, sorry.
Oo. Magiging spiker na si Wendy.
Oo.
Dahil pinasok na si Rhea de Maculangan.
Yeah. Nako, interesting life. Life is interesting. Eh, converted naman yan si Wendy.
Oo naman.
Napansin ko lang, kaya ako nahilo sa pangalan ni Manzano. Si Shaq may mga guhit na pala sa loo, ano? Saan niya na ako ito? Sa UST o sa FEU? Baka pareho.
Sa coaching period.
Oo. Tabla sa 15.
Kasugod back in the ball game for
Oo,
FEU.
tangkad nitong FEU.
Ako yan. Nabibigyan ko talaga ng experience.
Oo. Wrong fundamentals. Alam ni number 4. Mali si Basas dun.